What's good, y'all? Welcome back to this week's video. Today I have a project. I'm going to be cleaning my whole room and rearranging and moving things around and just making it look nicer because it looks really clustered and cluttered and everything is just kind of thrown in its place. I just don't want that anymore. Sorry about my voice, I just woke up. So I'm gonna change it, I'm gonna do something new. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm excited. But first, I have to make this bomb drink that I read about last night while I was in bed. Last night I went ahead and I got this ready. This is this matcha tea. Obviously I don't know what it says because it's in Japanese, but it's just a whole bunch of matcha teas. That's what it looks like on the inside. These little things pack a punch, let me tell you. But yeah, so I just boiled some water, put some in this cup with a little bit of sugar just to let the water cool down overnight because I don't want this to be a hot drink. I want this to be a cold drink. We ran out of creamer, but I'm so glad this vanilla almond milk is in here. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this and yeah, that should be good. I was kind of hoping for creamer, but whatever. Oof, that might have been too much almond milk. Ooh. No, it's good. I just think it needs a little bit more sugar, so I'm gonna add some of that. I also put some ice cubes in it because I want to keep it cold. But yeah, this is the drink. It honestly tastes so good. Can't wait to drink this and write in my little journal. I'm so excited for this cute little aesthetic. And then we're gonna get started on my room. Not sure if I'm wearing this bucket hat right, but I really don't care. I think it looks cute and I got it yesterday when I got that book too, when I went shopping with my sister. And I love it. It says chill bitch everywhere, but I didn't see that when I bought it because the store was really dark. That Spencer's was super dark. But it's so cute and I don't care if it says chill bitch on it. Okay, before I show you guys my room because I'm a little embarrassed, a little crazy, especially because I share a room with my sister, so it's like split down the middle and we each have our own side, our own half, and my side is not looking cute and it hasn't been for a while, but I'm ready to get this shit together. So this is my room. Now excuse all this. I know this is disgusting and probably triggers so many people, but it's makeup. I sit and do my makeup here because I have this huge window, so I really like the sunlight that comes in. But yeah, this isn't the cutest and I'm definitely gonna be changing it. Yeah, I have this huge pile of clothes, and then these clothes are all my sister's. I'm not gonna show that, but that's all stuff that I'm not going to be touching. But these three drawers are also my clothes, and then I have these two things over here that I need to clean out, and my goal is to have this entire pile gone. I want this basket, you can't even see the basket, but there's a basket there. I want this basket empty. I want this cleaned out. I want to get rid of all those extra hangers because clearly I don't use them. And I want it to be just like a few crop tops, maybe a few sweaters and stuff, and then that's it. And then up here, I want to put my shoes, which right now my shoes are under my bed. And then these drawers, I want to take apart because I think you can do that and kind of like build and make your own. We're going to the dollar store and picking up some decorative items and stuff because this is just not working. And then I want to get rid of this. I'm taking all this off and I'm gonna hang like pictures and I don't know, just like decorative items that I find at the 99-cent store. I'm ready to get started. I'm gonna set up the camera and you guys can watch me. So I'm gonna have two piles. I'm gonna have a yes pile and a no pile because I'm really indecisive when it comes to clothes. I'm very sentimental and I don't know why. I just am, but now I'm trying to let go of that because it's all just objects and everything comes and goes. So yeah, I'm trying to cut down a little bit, so I'm not even sure if I'm gonna have a maybe pile because if I do, everything will end up in the maybe pile and I won't get anything. So I think I'm just gonna stick to 2 piles, yes or no. And yeah, let's do this. So we're down to the basket. Now I just gotta go through this. And I don't think this will be hard because most of this I don't wear because I couldn't get to it. So it should all pretty much be a no. Okay, so it kind of looks like nothing's been done, but that pile has been diffused. This is my yes pile. This is my second yes pile and underwear and stuff. And this is giveaway. So these drawers are just nothing. I don't know what these are. These are just a whole bunch of clothes that I need to go through. Like literally clothes I never reach for. I found my mom's car keys to the BMW that she traded in like almost a year ago now. We were looking for this too.
The house key and everything. That's crazy.
Well, it's trash now. Okay, so this area is done. I have a full thing open and ready to be organized and filled. Okay, so I've gotten pretty much everything clothes-wise done. A little bit of an update. It's been 2 hours since I started, and this is where I've gotten. Yeah. Okay, so I have this section done of the drawers. This drawer is like summery, flowy, you know, for hot weather, stuff that I'm probably gonna want to wear soon. And then these are all crop tops and tank tops that didn't make the cut to be hung up. I'm actually gonna rearrange these drawers, like I said in the beginning, so that it looks like some stairs. So I'm gonna have 3 drawers here, I'm gonna have 2 drawers here, and then I'm gonna have 1 drawer over here. These are just socks and underwear, and I'm gonna go through this drawer again off camera because I can't even open this. And then this is just like swimwear stuff, like beach apparel. Starting down here, everything is organized into 3 categories. These are all my sweats that I wear on a daily basis, both these piles. I have a lot of sweats and like cargo pants and stuff. And then these are my jeans. And then this drawer is also categorized into 3 categories. These are my pajama pants and shirts. You can't really see it, but that's what's there. these are shirts that I wear on a daily basis. And then this drawer is just shorts, pajama shorts, shorts that I wear during the summer, skirts and stuff like that. So yeah. And over here I have all of the clothes that I hung up organized. So it starts off with like some lighter shirts, some crop tops, you know, things I'll wear in the summer since that's coming up. I know I keep saying that, but like it's coming. I gotta be prepared. And then I have like some sweaters, some accessory shirts and stuff. Yeah. This is the next area that I want to work on because I want to get my makeup out of there so that I can move it over here and do what I was talking about earlier. Okay, so I was going to put my makeup drawers under my bed. Great news. The boxes don't fit. They don't fit under my bed. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, last time you saw me, I still had things kind of a mess. But now things are coming together, and I'm going to show you what everything's looking like. I'm almost done. This is what everything is looking like. What's good? That's my vanity. She's cute. My guitar is probably going to go under my bed because I just don't have space. It's not going to go too far under it because I do want to get back into playing it. So I don't want it to be back there like collecting dust and stuff. And I just kind of need it out of the way on a daily basis, you know, when I'm not using it. So it's just gonna go under my bed. And then this area is looking so much better. It's still just like kind of clustered because I have a lot of stuff. It's never gonna be like super simple or minimalistic, I guess, because that's just not how I am. It still looks kind of like a mess, but it's an organized mess, which is my life basically. Now this is my makeup. I can't, the bins won't fit under my bed, so it's just gonna stay like this for now. This I'm probably gonna throw away or maybe like take apart and put somewhere else. I don't know. Yeah, this is pretty much where we're at. Everything is looking pretty good. I'll come back with the final thing. I just want to go through all these books that I have. The ones I do want, I'm gonna put in this drawer down here so that I can just reach in there and grab whatever book I want. Yeah, the rest will go back under my bed. I'm finally done. It's 3:30. I started at 10:30-ish. And it's done. This is what everything looks like. I'm so happy with how it came out. It still kind of looks like a mess, but like, that's my life, so. And I have my vanity in here now, so yeah. This is it, all done. It's all Gucci. And yeah. What's good, y'all? So today's day 2 of redecorating and all that with my room. Yesterday we cleaned everything out, we organized things, and today I went shopping. This is what I got. I got this huge planner that I'm going to be hanging on this wall once I take all this stuff down. I also got some chips because I can't help myself. I got this really cute thing that lights up. It's so cute. I'm gonna put that in that corner, where I might hang it if I feel like this wall is too empty. Then I also got this little plaque that I'm gonna hang. It says, "Slow down, what's your hurry?" And I think this is cool to like have hanging around. And then I also got just like these shells. I don't know, I thought it'd be cute, kind of little decoration. Same with this. I don't really know what this is. I might fill it with some flowers if I get some. Then I also have this cute little pot. I also got this cute little succulent. So cute. And then I got a plant. I didn't know that this was a real plant when I bought it. I thought it was another succulent, but then this pot was leaking in the bag as we were coming back from the store, and I was like, what in the fuck is leaking? And then turns out it was this plant. This is a real plant, and I think I'm gonna name him, I don't know what I'm gonna name him. I'm keeping him in this cute little window. I don't know how much sun he needs. It said keep this pot half full, but I think I'm gonna look into it just so I can really take care of him. And yeah, and once I have everything decorated and put together, I'll show you guys the final everything. But yeah, I'm really excited about that plant. I did not mean to buy him. I didn't know he was real. I thought he was a succulent, but he's very much real, and I'm very excited to take care of him because I've been wanting a plant ever since I saw Jenna Marbles' plant tour. I really wanted one. Just something small to start. Like, I don't want like to end up having a garden or anything like she does. I just wanted a cute little plant to keep me company. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And yeah, anyway, next clip you guys will see will be of me showing you guys everything that's done. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you my room, give you a little room tour. So first I have my vanity. I have my makeup brushes, my mirrors. I have this little thing that says, we all have cares and problems we cannot solve alone, but if we go to God in prayer, we are never on our own. He answers their prayers because they trust in Him. This is the day to enlist the help of God. He will listen and respond. And the reason I put this up is because there is a misprint and it says it twice in the book. I don't know, I just thought that was kind of crazy how it printed that one in particular. When I went to the 99-cent store, I got this cute little succulent and this glass bottle that I put here. These are my snacks. That's my journal that I write in. Here is my plant. I decided to name him Marvin. It's the first name that came to my head, so yeah, there's Marvin. Then I took that huge blanket down, and now I have this like weekly planner thing, which I'm really excited to use. I have this up here that says, when you saw only one set of footprints, my child, is when I carried you. I got that for Christmas from my mom. Then I have this, I don't know, what would you call this? A cork board, where I can pin and hang things. Then I have that hung up there that says, slow down, what's your hurry? Just a little cute little reminder. And then I have this little motivational board that lights up and everything. It just says keep moving. And then I have my Holy Bible. I have some stress balls right here. They're super fun to play with. I have my vitamins. I got this cute little pot from the 99-cent store too, as well as this little bottle of shells. And yeah, that's pretty much, but yeah, that's all that's different pretty much. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with how my room came out. I'm sure you guys know that by now, but yeah, I'm really excited. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. What's good, y'all? So I'm editing this right now, and I just realized I didn't do an outro, so I'm really sorry about that. You get editing shy. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope that you enjoyed watching me clean my room. It was honestly kind of fun, and I actually liked it, which is weird because I hate cleaning. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.